In January 2026, Winter Storm Fern slammed the eastern half of the United States. So I prepared by filling up the peanut feeder and charging up the trail cam. Overnight, flying squirrels, too fast to capture on video, nibble on a few of the peanuts. With the dawn, the hard-working gray squirrels arrived to start digging out the rest. Snow continues to fall, mixed with sleet. But the squirrels don't seem to mind, even as frost builds up on their fur. Crows are the first birds to arrive at the feeder. One of the squirrels wisely shelters underneath the deck railing. Two different species of crow visit my feeders. I think this morning's visitors are all American crows. Those are the only calls recorded on the audio, and these crows also have a more upright standing posture than I'd expect from fish crows. Watch these two size each other up. Remember that the inside of crows' mouths darken from pink to black as they age. I don't see any hint of pink in these individuals, so these are all probably mature crows who have seen snow before. This squirrel has found an even better shelter spot underneath the feeder itself. Cardinals soon arrive. A breeding pair, I think. Dang, Blue Jay! Listen closely for an off-camera bird call. Those laser gun chirps are from a dark-eyed junco. We will see him soon. This lady cardinal has a lot to say. Complaining about the weather, maybe? The dark-eyed junco is called the snowbird in my area, since it's a winter resident that often appears when snow is falling. A friend of mine recently saw one for the first time and described it as looking like a scoop of ice cream. I thought that was a nice image to describe the bird's cuteness. Mr. Cardinal is looking for his mate, I think. The dark-eyed junco is back. Some trivia about this particular bird. Wait, no, what are you doing? Don't do that!
What's that smell? Oh well.
This blue jay is serious about getting at the rest of the peanuts. Then the rest of the flock arrives, in force. Things soon start getting tense. Not the camera! Once the blue jays bugger off, a cute tufted titmouse arrives. We get a glimpse of a white-throated sparrow and another dark-eyed junco. On rare occasions, white-throated sparrows and dark-eyed juncos will form breeding pairs. That happens far north of here, though, mostly in Canada. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. For more snowbirds, please consider subscribing. As always, everyone, thank you for birdwatching.